Hello, everyone. Just wanted to let you guys know that the new Vulkan video walkthrough is out. So if you're interested in running Vulkan on your Windows-based machine, this tutorial will help you to give you a step-by-step video walkthrough of how to do it. For those that don't know, Vulkan is the next evolution of OpenGL. It gives you more control over hardware. It gives you more control specifically over the GPU. It gives you more opportunities to take advantage of parallel processing, and basically optimizing your computer graphics application so that it runs faster and it runs smoother and all that good stuff. So um, in the computer graphics industry, Vulkan is the future. It is where everyone's going. You start talking about virtual reality, augmented reality, hologram, all that good stuff. Um, Somewhere, down that path, everything is going to eventually, in my opinion, move over to Vulkan. So if you're interested in getting into computer graphics, now is a great time to do it. Not only for the documentation and what have you, and the better language and the opportunities to optimize, but also the debugging and profiling tools that are out now are exceptional. Specifically, Nsight Systems and Nsight Compute and Nsight Graphics. So these are tools from NVIDIA that allow you to basically, especially Nsight Graphics, that allow you to profile and debug your computer graphics application and really get into the intrinsic details, the nitty gritty, the granular details of what's going on behind the scenes on the computer, whether it be the CPU, the GPU, or what have you, right? Memory management, all that good stuff. So if you're interested in getting into computer graphics, this is a great starting point. I have other videos on the CUDA Education channel that talk about OpenGL and Vulkan and comparing the two languages and just talking about computer graphics in general. So definitely check those out. But this is the video to just let you know that I've completed this this Vulkan step-by-step video walkthrough. It's about an hour long. That helps you to figure out how to get Vulkan running on your machine. It's probably the hardest part, right? To just get it running. And then once you have it running, you could start to really make progress in terms of learning how things work and what is doing what and tinkering with things. So definitely check it out. Hope you guys have a great new year. It's still early in the year, so 2020. I hope you're pursuing your goals and what have you. Have a great day.